Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take.
Hi guys, hello beautiful Noni Nations, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite baby girl NonoObi. In today's video, guys, this is highly requested video. It's something I do on my channel as well, that is DIY. I have a video which I did the last time, how to remove acne pigmentations on your face. Yes, this video has gotten me views as well as reasonable comments, and I felt I should update this video. I should share again other ways that you can actually fade out or clear or treat your high pigmentation using a face toner. You can see the things I am using to do this. You have your measuring cup there, and this is mint leaf. I don't know the leaf you have in the place you're living, because most of us, most of my viewers on this DIY are diasporas, and I actually bought it for some days now. That is why it's looking as if some are brown, because it has quite lasted, right? Okay, but it's still good. Some people even prefer this very browny one because they said it has more benefits, right? So this is the mint leaf I'm using, and these are my measuring cups, and I'm using these measuring cups to actually take the exact measurement I need for this lemon juice. This is the lemon. Yeah, you can get the green lemon is okay, and the yellow lemon is okay as well. And this is my honey. You can get any kind of honey you have, natural honey, whatever honey it is. This is also natural honey, but it's well packaged in this container, so I'm using this honey. And then you might be wondering why I have this plates. These are the plates I'm gonna put the things I need for this mixture as well. And I have my container here. You should have your little container or whatever storage you have that is fitly tight, where you can put in the water after what we're doing now. And of course you should have you a cotton wool for your face, right? Your face cotton. I didn't say the one they use in cleaning your nails, no, just for your face. You have yourself a cotton pad as well. Do you want to know the benefits of mint? It's rich in nutrients. It improves your irritable bowel syndrome. It helps relieve indigestion. It could improve brain function. Of course, it also can help decrease breastfeeding pain. It can remove mouth odor. It can ease your diet. It can remove your hyperpigmentation, your spots, and what have you. Yes, so this is the benefits of mint leaf. It has so many benefits, and we know the benefits of lemon. It helps you to lose weight. It helps in hyperpigmentation. It helps in discoloration. It helps to improve your digestive system. It helps for your nail growth. It helps for your what is it called? Yes, so many benefits, right? As well as honey. And then my knife for cutting this lemon. Then I need this for mixture, and this. So this is it. So we start now.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take. Can we work it out?
Guys, you have to boil this to actually, start vaporing out. You have to boil it very well. So right now I'm gonna boil this, and I'll allow the water to cool down.
Can we work it out? Only time will.
Guys, I'm about to boil this mint leaf. You can see the water is very transparent, but when we start boiling it, it's going to be you'll see the color. So wash your mint leaf and put it into the pot and add some water and start to boil. So now we're finished boiling it. You could see the color. Let me pour it out so you see what the color looks like. The water is no longer transparent. It has juiced out the mint leaf and water from the leaves. You can see it's almost like a tea bag, but it's not a tea bag, obviously. That color is what helps your high pigmentation to fade out. So you need to boil it to the consistency that color is going to be showing, obviously, like it is showing now. And of course you allow it to cool down before putting it into any bowl you're using to mix it. You could see what the color looks like. The water is no longer brown. You can see it. So after that, the next thing we're gonna do now is to squeeze out the lemon and also put it in a bowl. These are just the simple things you need. It's not a hard work to prepare this toner. So I'm just juicing out the lemon that I need for this mixture. Yes, just very little of it. And also the honey. I'm just gonna put it into that measuring spoon, just the amount I need. Just gonna squeeze it out, just the very amount I need. And if you don't have measuring spoon, you can use any other spoon that gives you a measurement. Yes. So now this is the bowl I'm going to be needing for this mixture. And the first thing I'm going to do is to pour the juiced mint leaf. Of course, I'm doing very little because of the container I have, but if you have much container, you can do a bigger one that will just last you for 7 days, and you can preserve it in the fridge. Yes, or cool temperature. So I'm going to add my lemon, which I have measured with my head because I'm very used to this thing I'm doing. But if you're not very used to measurement, you should have something you use in measuring accurately. Now I'm going to take out the honey that I just mixed now. The honey that I just brought out. So I'm mixing it into the lemon and the mint water. Yes. I'm going to mix it till all the mixtures comes together. Yes, I'll mix it till all the mixtures comes together. You can see how it is. Before the honey was all over it, but now the honey has blended into the mixture. You can see it. Yes, so you have to turn, you have to stir and stir till everything comes together. Guys, this works so well. You need to try it out. This works perfectly well. You need to try it out, trust me. I'm just gonna pour into this place because it has this kind of funneled mouth. So I swiftly pour it into this tiny container without wasting it. Yes, I don't need to waste it, okay? Yes, so now I have poured it into here. Guys, you need to try this thing out. Seriously, trust me. I had huge pigmentation after I had my daughter, and this actually helped me out. And make sure to shake anytime you want to use. Just tap your face cotton pad on it and rub it all over the place. Guys, I would have added turmeric in this mixture. You can add it if you like, or cinnamon, but the reason is you apply this and sleep with it overnight, and if there is turmeric inside, you will stain your pillows and your bed. So that's why I prefer this very mixture, because it's transparent, and once you wear it on your face, it dries out. It doesn't stain your pillow, it doesn't stain your bed sheets, it doesn't stain anything. But if you think you have a magical way of sleeping, and if you put it on your face, it's not going to touch anywhere, then you can add a turmeric. But if you don't have a magical way of sleeping, please do not add turmeric. Turmeric will stain your bedspread. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're gonna try this out and get back to me, because it works perfectly well. If you have tried something like this before and it worked out for you, please put it down in the comment section. I would love to read about it. And please do have a wonderful day. Bye.